In this video, we're diving into the top programming languages to learn in 2025 and why they're worth your time. Let's jump right in. First, I want to give a quick shout out to our newest members: Joe, Abdulrahim, Rishab, Aisha, Ernie, Chris, Lizelle, Yasmin, Marcus, and George. Thank you so much for joining this channel and supporting me. You're awesome. By the way, if you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about helping you build a strong foundation in coding and land your dream tech job. I create practical, no-fluff tutorials, roadmaps, and career advice to help you succeed. If that sounds good, hit subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. All right, let's talk about the top programming languages for 2025. First up is Python. It's still the king of programming languages. Why? Because it's super versatile, beginner-friendly, and powers some of the coolest tech out there, like data science, machine learning, web development, and automation. In 2025, AI is only getting bigger, and Python is the go-to language for AI and machine learning projects. But here's the thing: learning Python isn't just about landing your first job. It's about staying relevant throughout your entire career. Whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned pro, Python is one of those languages you'll keep coming back to. Now, if you want to learn Python, I have a couple of tutorials on this channel. I put the links down below. I also have comprehensive courses on my website if you prefer structured learning. Again, links are down below. Next up, we've got Java. Now, I know what you're thinking. Java has been around forever, right? But it's far from outdated. In fact, it's still the backbone of so many industries: banking systems, healthcare platforms, e-commerce sites, and so on. Now, some people might argue that Kotlin is better, and yeah, Kotlin is awesome, but Java's ecosystem, tools, and community are hard to beat. Plus, tons of companies still rely on Java for its stability and scalability. And if you're into Android development, Java is a solid choice. Bottom line, if you're looking for job security and opportunities at big companies, you can't go wrong with Java. If you want to learn Java, again, I have a bunch of tutorials on this channel. Now let's talk about JavaScript. Whether you love it or hate it, it's everywhere. Seriously, over 98% of websites use JavaScript. It's used in front-end development, back-end development, and even mobile development. Now you might say, Mosh, with tools like ChatGPT, why even bother learning JavaScript? Here's the deal: AI tools can definitely generate code, but you still need to understand what's going on. Think about it. Would you let ChatGPT write a legal contract for selling your house and just sign it without reviewing with a lawyer? Probably not. It's the same with code. You've got to review it, refine it, and tweak it to make sure it works for your project. Now, if you want to take JavaScript to the next level, TypeScript is the perfect upgrade. It adds static typing, which helps catch bugs early, improves maintainability, and makes working on bigger projects way easier. I believe in 2025, more companies are going to use TypeScript to boost productivity and reduce bugs. And here's the good news: if you already know JavaScript, learning TypeScript is a piece of cake. You can probably learn it in about a month. Again, I have a tutorial on this channel if you're interested. All right, let's talk about SQL. It might not be flashy, but it's one of those skills every tech professional needs. Whether you're working with data or building software, SQL is your go-to for managing databases. And let's be real, AI is exploding, and that means the demand for data is off the charts. AI runs on data, and SQL is how you work with that data. Even if you specialize in another language, knowing SQL will give you a serious edge. It's one of those must-have skills in your toolkit. Last but definitely not least, C++. Yeah, it's a bit tougher to learn, especially if you're just starting out, but there is a reason it's still so popular. C++ is all about speed and control. It powers everything from game engines to high-frequency trading systems. It's huge in industries like automotive, robotics, and real-time simulations. So if you're into cutting-edge tech, C++ is worth your time. And there you have it, the top programming languages to learn in 2025. Whether you're starting your coding journey or leveling up your skills, these languages open doors to amazing opportunities. Python, Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, SQL, and C++ each have unique strengths, so pick the one that fits your goals. Now, what do you think? Did your favorite language make the list? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.